To analyze Best Places neighborhood rankings, start by understanding the factors that influence these rankings. Best Places considers various criteria such as cost of living, education, employment, health, housing, transportation, and crime rates. First, navigate to the Best Places website and select the city or region you are interested in. You will see an overall ranking for the area, as well as individual rankings for each of the criteria. Next, look at the cost of living index, which compares the cost of living in the area to the national average. A lower number indicates a lower cost of living, while a higher number indicates a higher cost of living. Then, examine the education rankings, which are based on factors such as high school graduation rates, student-teacher ratios, and the availability of higher education institutions. After that, review the employment rankings, which consider factors such as unemployment rates, job growth, and the diversity of industries in the area. It is also essential to consider the health rankings, which are based on factors such as access to healthcare, air and water quality, and the availability of recreational facilities. In addition, look at the housing rankings, which take into account factors such as median home prices, housing affordability, and the availability of different types of housing. Finally, consider the transportation rankings, which evaluate factors such as commute times, public transportation options, and the availability of airports and highways. By analyzing these factors, you can get a comprehensive understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of a neighborhood and make informed decisions about where to live, work, or invest. It is crucial to weigh the importance of each factor based on your individual needs and priorities. For example, if you have children, you may prioritize education rankings, while if you commute to work, you may prioritize transportation rankings. By following these steps and considering multiple factors, you can use Best Places neighborhood rankings to make informed decisions and find the best place for you.